Hello everybody and welcome to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today is actually a second impressions for my April BoxyCharm base box. So I'm going to go through the products that I've used. I've used all of them at this point and I'll give you my opinions on them so far. First up, we're going to start with the iconic London Illuminator, which I had in the color Original. So I've used these now a couple of times. The first time I used them, you saw on camera where I got the Illuminator all over myself. So it was kind of a learning curve on, oh hey, can I actually do this without any issues? But so far I've used it pretty well. I used it in another video. It is nice and light. I go with a very light hand just to get a little bit of illumination on my cheeks, and I really enjoy it. I still don't think they're worth $42. I think there's way better highlights. Well, maybe not better highlights, but there's similar highlights at a much lower price point that I would say is probably a better idea than this one. I mean, I do like them. I'm definitely going to get use out of them, so that's great. But honestly, $42 is still a lot for these. Next up, we have our brushes set here from the Lavish brush, the like bright colored brushes that I got here. So I've got this set. Used 4 of the 5. I haven't used the teeny tiny one. I don't really do a lot of detail work, but I've used the other 4. In fact, there's a cat hair on that one. And I really like these brushes. They're pretty nice, like densely packed, very easy to use. I love the bright colors on them. Got the little pencil and the taper, or the shading brush and the taper blending here. Yeah, they're all really great. Definitely like these. I think these were the ones that were $30. This seemed a little bit much, but not too bad. I'll definitely get a lot of use out of these, so that was a good option for me. Up next, we've got the Pore Professional. I have the Original from Benefit, and personally, I do like this. I'm currently wearing it today. It just has a weird feel on my skin, and I think that's just kind of the the product itself helping with like face blurring and all that, but you know, it's fine. I wouldn't probably have purchased this myself because of the price of it. Normally I use the little samples, which I have lots of, but yeah, I mean, it was good. If we're gonna get one of these, I'm glad I got the Original and not the hydrating, but you know, it's fine. It's fine. I don't think it's worth as much as it actually costs, but it's good. Next up is something I thought that was highly overpriced when I pulled it out, which is the Illuminati gel paint eyeliners. Here's the thing. I like them. I've got the blue one on the bottom, my bottom lashes right now. You can't really see it with the colors of it, or the like light here. They go on really easy. However, I had so many issues getting the blue to show up when I put it on top of an eyeshadow. It does not show up at all. Like it's there, but the color of it is just not very good. It doesn't have that vibrant blue that it has. It was very muted. So they work really well for lower waterline, which I've been doing. The pink is a little bit much when you put it on your lower waterline. Fun, but a little bit much. The blue though, it's great as a lower lash line. It didn't work on my top. It'd probably be fine if I used just the eyeliner, but I hardly ever do that, so yeah, I don't know. The formula is really soft. It's really nice. It is so not worth the $42 that these two cost. It is definitely not worth that. You can get better performance out of much cheaper gel liners. Much cheaper. Yeah, definitely save your money. Don't get these. I will definitely use them, obviously, since I have them, but no, not worth it. Okay, the last thing that I got in the actual box was the palette, the Zoeva Caramel Melange palette, and I've definitely used it a little bit. You can see some of like a little bit of the usage on it. The mattes are pretty powdery, which was just good to be careful of, but they blend really nicely. They look really nicely. I've got it on my eyes today. They are really nice. The shimmers are actually not very powdery at all, and they are so soft and really good on the color. I love this color Liquid Center. That's this one right here. It is beautiful. It's just this lovely, like, coppery color. That's kind of what's in the middle of my lid with some glitter there. And the color that almost burnt is this inner highlight color. It's this one. It's my inner highlight today. Lovely, lovely. The shimmers are wonderful. The mattes are fine. Good, nice color. Not super pigmented, but just enough for, like, lighter looks. So, yeah, I'm really loving this palette. It's $28. I'd say that's probably fine to pay for that. It's a great palette. If you get the chance to get it, totally, I would say that's a good choice. Now, the last thing that I'm going to talk about is actually the special gift that I got for subscribing for my first box, which is the Pure Masquerade palette. I have some opinions on this. This is what the inside looks like. We got our face pans over here, the 4 of them, and then the 4 eyeshadows. Let me get that in light. I want to like it because it's an all-in-one palette. Who doesn't love an all-in-one palette? However, this blush is great. This pink blush, great. Great color, great pigment. This color, I couldn't get it out of the pan very well whatsoever. This dark one is very dark for me. And this, technically on the back it says they are all actually blushes, but this is definitely a highlight. You're not putting that on your as a blush. Now the shadows over here. I had so many issues getting this purple shade here, they don't have names on it, out of the pan. I could not get it out of the pan with a brush. It took me so long, and it doesn't look great when you put it on with your finger. So I was at like had an issue with that. However, oh, it does have a name. It's called Disguise. They're in white. I can barely read them. I'm not wearing my glasses, so everything needs to be a little bit closer to my face. This silver shade up here, which is called Exposed, I love it. It is lovely. I used it as an eyebrow highlight. It comes off really easy. It's very pigmented and beautiful. This black matte shade here, 12 a.m. It was okay. It was a fine black matte, but so matte. I wanted to like this so much more, but it was powdery and the pigment just wasn't there for most of it. So yeah, not my favorite. I mean, I got it as a free gift, so it's not like it adds to the value or anything, but yeah, overall, I'd say the best product in this box was the Caramel Melange palette. This was absolutely the best thing in this box. And this alone was $28, so it's worth like the price of the whole box itself. It is a wonderful palette. Nice, like beautiful shades, can be worn any day. I definitely am happy with this. And so, yeah. Overall, I'd say that this was worth the price of admission for the box itself. Now, what do you think? Is there something in this box that you think is worth it or not? Tell me, do you really think that those eyeliners are worth $42 combined? Because would you pay that much for 2 eyeliners, knowing that they don't glide over eyeshadow, that they just get stuck in it, and even if you put it on top, it doesn't have the vibrant pigment? Let me know down below. Also, let me know if you've tried these in Iconic London Illuminator drops and had better luck than I did the first time with getting them all over yourself. Yeah, so leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's a box that you would like to see me open. Something you've had your eye on, but you don't want to spend your own money on. That's what I'm here for. And if you could, leave me a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you can see when I post new videos. So far, I'm doing new subscription boxes, second impressions, and the occasional haul from Ipsy or BoxyCharm. I have a habit of those add-ons, so stick around to see some of those videos. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do, and I hope you are staying safe and healthy. Have a wonderful day. Bye!